Are you also running here? Well, I am, because I have started my fitness journey and I am at Nehru Park in New Delhi, and today I am meeting a marathon runner and a professional trainer to get some idea on what kind of tech and gadgets should one use to track their health. So, let's start. Hi Reeti.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Okay, so tell me, do you run in this chilly weather?
Yes, hail, storm, sunshine, cold, we're always running.
God.
I'm always running.
You are definitely a professional and I really need to learn something from you. So tell me, when did you start your fitness journey, and when did you just think about it, okay, I just need to be a professional marathon runner, or maybe I should just get a certification course and be a trainer?
You know, so fitness has always been a part of life. I'm also from a Fauji background, so it's been inculcated. So it's in the genes, as I may say. Yeah. But I started running way back in 2010, and it's become a part of lifestyle again. Now running is me time. And yeah, it's given me something that nothing else has probably been able to give me. So I haven't looked back, and today I run a community and I run marathons across the world. Wow. And it keeps my mental sanity.
Wow, that's great. And you know, I love gadgets, okay? I'm a tech geek. So when you track your fitness and maybe your step count or maybe your calorie count, what kind of gadget or technology do you use? Or what is the first thing that you have in your mind that comes fitness and tech?
So Apple Watch is something that I live by, I swear by. I've been using it for years now. And my latest, of course, is the Apple Watch Ultra, which I completely, absolutely love.
Which, by the way, I should tell you, this is the 90,000 Apple Watch Ultra. Pretty expensive.
But, you know, I think it's also worth, the things it gives me. So I completely, like I said, I love it. I love the fact that it's got a nice broad screen. I can do a whole lot more in an easier manner, you know. It's got a better battery life. What I also like about this is that I can actually track any activity that I want to do. It's got like a bunch of activities if I show you. Yeah. So I can go into the screen here, and so, you know, I can choose from what I'd like to do. Outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor run, high intensity training, indoor walk, outdoor cycle. So it's got a whole lot of options from. So it's not just, you know, about running. It's for an athlete, for somebody who's into fitness. So it makes life simpler, and it's also got an option where I can actually add something which is not present. Yeah. You know, so I love the watch.
So, you know, we have been talking about Apple Watch Ultra, and it is filled with so many features, and that's why the price, right? So what are the best features? What are the most used features that are really helpful to you?
So I'd like to talk about something that I've started using fairly frequently with the Ultra, and it's called mindfulness. There's a feature called mindfulness, and it actually helps me. I'm going to show it to you here as well. Yeah. And it actually helps me, you know, focus, center and connect with my breath. So all I need to do is tap to start, and it actually gives you a tip. Okay. Yeah, and that's how you begin this. So I've set it for 4 minutes. That's what I do.
Apart from the Apple Watch Ultra, obviously, what are the other technology or gadgets or apps that you would recommend?
So I use the Ultrahuman Cyborg, which is really a patch that I wear on my arm, and that also helps me tell me my metabolic health. Yeah. Again, it's synced with the Apple Watch and the iPhone, and, you know, also helps me keep a tab on my nutrition, my health goals, you know, whether I'm underfueled, overfueled. So it actually keeps me aware of my metabolic fitness, metabolic health as well. So that's another thing that I use. The other thing that I want to talk about is I use a third-party app called Strava, which actually seamlessly integrates with the Apple Watch. So that gives me a whole lot more data in case I want to delve into more data, you know, to do with my running stats. So that's another app that I use that works with the Apple Watch. The other thing that I would want to talk about is something called the VO2 Max, which is actually the cardiovascular fitness. Okay. You know, so if I show that to you on the Apple, so it's basically, you know, a number. For example, it's 39.3 here. Yeah. So this basically is a measurement of the VO2 max, which is actually the maximum amount of oxygen, you know, the body can consume while you're working out. So the higher the VO2 max, the fitter you are, or the better your cardiovascular fitness and endurance is. So for any athlete, this is a brilliant feature on the watch.
So Reeti has told a lot about Apple Watch Ultra and a bunch of other features that she's been using as a marathon runner. Now she's ready and she's going to run with me. So let's see who wins. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, I don't think I can catch Reeti, but you'll catch me in the next video.